Hello everyone. Today we're going to be reacting to BTOB, and we're going to be reacting to BTOB on Beat Beat. I've been waiting for BTOB to come back since Thriller, and the teaser just looked so good. They all looked so good. And Sung Jae, for anyone who watches You From Another Star, he looks like Chun Sung-yee's brother, her younger brother.
Oh my god. Not really. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. No HP? Smile. You might be a turtle.
He looks so good.
He always looks good. I can't with what's his name? Camille. He annoys me. Him too.
Well, I love listening.
He's so freaking curly. Oh my god, he's so smile.
Move your car. Oh my god.
Oh, cool. I love his voice. You were gonna say about me? Is he finally singing? Was he throwing him against the door?
The girls.
They are. So
When's the home?
at the end.
Oh, you heard the song?
No, he always laughs at the end. Oh my god, that no.
Yeah, they're all just having a party.
Dude, do you put the west side? I like this.
Oh my god.
Wow. It reminds me, like, they mix up, like, with recent, like, the style now to also, like, 80s style.
I like the sound of the music of the song. I like that.
I like the dance, even though I haven't seen the whole thing.
I love seeing their faces. Cause Sung Jae looks so good.
His singing when he hit the high note, he's like, I could just see him go like that, like. And, oh man.
I think their life stages will be really good.
They're just so perfect.
I like the song more than the music video, though.
I like how their concepts change every time. Like
They show a new side of them.
Yeah.
All the time.
Oh man, BTOB. I like them.
I like them too.
They're perfect.
Annyeong.